late August, we decided to go to Seattle for PAX West and PAX Dev. In between our time at PAX Dev and PAX West, we decided to go to Pike's Place, which is a really cool marketplace where people can go and shop, eat food, and even the first Starbucks is actually there. So we figured this was a pretty perfect time to get some crowd ambiences together. So we pulled out our XY pattern on our H6 and we were off and running. This actually still posed a few challenges though, because we wanted to record a variety of sounds. Some areas of Pike's Place were a lot more crowded and some weren't as crowded, and some places also just had music playing, which we didn't want in the background for any crowd ambiences that we were recording. The music definitely added to the atmosphere of Pike's Place, but it wouldn't have worked if we were to use these sounds for a game. What was really nice about Pike's Place was the variety of location that they had. For example, a crowd ambience that plays inside sounds way different than it does outside. You can hear a lot more echo when you're on the interior versus the exterior. And also you can get stuff like cars passing by and also birds chirping to get the sense that you're outside. These little nuances in the soundscape actually make a big difference to help dictate where you are in the game. So making sure to capture these sounds in the exterior were actually really important. And then also recording stuff like the echo and reverb from the interior is also very important. Here's how some of the ambiences turned out. Here's some of the exterior.
Got everything.
And here's some of the interior. You can tell that there's a very slight difference between the two. The exterior sounds a little bit more open while the interior sounds a little bit more boxed in. You can also hear the occasional car coming by on the exterior. Anyway, this was our recording session in Seattle at Pike's Place, and we hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.